Hello everyone, welcome to StudyIQ IAS English. My name is Praveen Mishra and I welcome you all in this session where we are going to discuss about this personality. So you might be aware with this person, right? Actor Vijay Devarkonda. So why is he here on our screen? Why are we discussing him here today? So he has been booked under SCST Prevention of Atrocities Act of 1989 for his some derogatory and defamatory remarks against our tribal people, right? So what has happened? What is the particular incidents? Let's discuss that. After 22nd April Pahalgam attacks, the cowardly terrorist attacks, okay, that claimed 26 lives, 26 Indian innocent lives, right? So, we have seen multiple backlashes from multiple people. The whole nation got united. Okay, whole political parties, they also got united as well. And, we were fighting specifically against the terror state that is Pakistan. So, in that one particular person, okay, we have got actor Vijay Devarkonda as well. And what he did, okay, he was addressing the public in a particular gathering, okay, while a particular release was about to happen of a movie. So there he was addressing the Pahalgam attack, okay, and for the first part of his speech, he was absolutely right. He is absolutely right, as in Kashmir belongs to us. Kashmiris, they are our people. Kashmir is India, and so Kashmiris, they are Indians. Absolutely true, absolutely a fact. But the second thing, okay, what he compared. So he compared our tribals with the terrorists. What happened? He said the terrorists, they must be educated. They must be made aware that, killing someone is never the solution. And apart from that, you must have that rational mind that you are wrong, okay? And you must be acting wisely. You can't be acting illogically. So there he gave the comparison. What comparison he did, which is absolutely on malified grounds, which is absolutely nowhere correct, which is absolutely illogical, right? So he said the terrorists, they are acting in the very same way as 500 years ago. Tribals, they used to act how? They used to act without any common sense. So this is what actor Vijay Devarkonda has stated. See, with all due respect to the actor and to everyone else, right, this is not the point of comparison. This is absolutely a very baseless and a very pathetic type of comparison as well, right? You are representing something, okay, that is having no real life existence. Terrorists, they are different, okay, and you say that tribals, they have acted without any common sense, without any logical grounds. So that is also the biggest nonsense statement ever, right? Though this incident happened in the month of April, just after the Pahalgam attacks, the case has been booked just a couple of days back, okay. So now here is the concern. What is SCST Act? So SCST Act, popularly known as SCST Act, it is in actual SCST's Prevention of Atrocities Act, came into the year 1989. So as you can see, it is based on two articles, Article 15 as well as Article 17. So we talk about Article 15. What Article 15 says? That is, no person shall be discriminated only on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, and place of birth, right? Now, the other one is Article 17. What Article 17 focuses? It focuses on absolute annihilation or simply abolition of untouchability in every form, right? So to protect our scheduled caste community and our scheduled tribes community as well, Indian government finalized a very wonderful act that is known as SCST Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989. And when we talk about the provisions, apart from Article 15 and apart from Article 17, this act is once again, purely based on another benevolent act that is known as the Protection of Civil Rights Act 1955, as well as the Abolition of Untouchability Act of 1955. Right? So once again, all of these acts, they are focused on establishing Article 14, that is equality before law, Article 15, that is right against discrimination, Article 17, that is right against untouchability, okay, or total abolition of untouchability basically. Apart from that, Article 21 as well. right? So this is where the government came forward in 1989 and inducted the provisions of Untouchability Offences Act of 1955 as well as the Protection of Civil Rights Act of 1955, right? Further, the most important features of the act. Exclusions. As you can see, act does not cover offences between SCs and STs, and neither can invoke the act against one another. So literally what has been mentioned here, that is, if a scheduled caste person is there, okay, or let's say two scheduled caste persons are there, so they cannot impose SCST Act on each other. Or let's say one is SC person and the other person is ST. Okay, so they both also cannot impose the SCST Prevention of Atrocities Act on each other. And for that, we have got the case reference as well in the year 2000. We got this case in Gujarat that is known as Kanubhai M. Parmar versus the state of Gujarat, where the Gujarat High Court ruled that the act does not apply to crimes committed between the members of SCs and STs. Okay, so what is the rationale? The rationale is that the act is intended to protect SCs and STs from atrocities committed by individuals outside their communities, not within the communities. So if I am a person from scheduled caste, there is second person here from the scheduled caste, we cannot impose SCST Act on each other. Or let's say I'm the person from scheduled tribes, there is another person here from scheduled tribes, so we also cannot impose SCST Act on each other. And on the very same side, if I'm a person from scheduled caste and then I have got second person here with me who is from the scheduled tribes, so we have got two different castes, right? So two different communities. Then also we cannot impose SCST Act on each other. So it is only against those people, those communities, those individuals, those who are outside the dimensions of SCs and STs, right? So remember the case reference, guys, Kanubhai M. Parmar versus the state of Gujarat, year 2000. Okay, their exclusion came in. Now, what does the act mandates? So literally the act mandates a special court which is given a specific, power as well to trial and proceed the cases of the SCST's Preventions of Atrocities Act of 1989. So a special court for speedy trial, and apart from that, the investigating officer should also not be below the rank of DSP, that is Deputy Superintendent of Police. As per the provisions of the Act, if there is a investigating officer, okay, investigating any SCST Prevention of Atrocities Act, that person must be holding minimum the position of DSP. So SHO, that is inspector, sub-inspector, etc. people, they do not possess the authority to investigate any case related to SCST's Prevention of Atrocities Act of 1989. Okay, minimum position required, okay, the minimum rank required is the DSP. Okay, and apart from that, the Act also provides for the relief and rehabilitation of victims, including the financial compensation, the legal aid, and the support services, whatever could be made possible. Right, so these are the provisions related to what? The SCST's Prevention of Atrocities Act. And guys, remember what we have got? We have got for you the resolution batch. Okay, so if you are a candidate preparing for 2026, 27, 28. So remember, as we have already uncovered the revolution of UPSC CSE for you, that is in the name of resolution. So we have got the morning batch 2026. Okay, so it's in Hindi, it's in English, as well as bilingual, that is Hindi plus English, that is English, right? So guys, remember, if you enroll today, you will have to pay a very minimum amount here, okay, that is just 25,000 rupees. Just use the code PRV Live. Okay, and now remember, guys, what are the features of the batches? First of all, let's talk about not on the monetary grounds. Okay, let's talk about firstly the features, and then let's discuss whether this amount is justiciable, whether this amount is justified in nature or not. So what I'm getting 1,000 plus hours of the live classes. Apart from that, I'm also having the access to the recorded lectures. Who will be teaching me? The greatest educators of our country, okay, related to the UPSC CSE, with some wonderful level, extraordinary level of wisdom and experience. They will be teaching you. Apart from that, their personal notes, their own PPTs, the PDFs, that is basically the handouts, okay, they are using in the classes, they will be, given to you as well. Apart from that, you will be assigned a personal mentor. A 1:1 mentorship program is also there. And yes, remember, we have got the prelims residential program if you are a candidate coming in top 10 percentage of our students. Okay, so we will provide you the prelims residential program where your accommodation will be on us. You will be provided with the offline classes with the very same educators where you can interact with them, okay, one-on-one. Okay, apart from that, we have got for you the mains residential program as well. And yes, we have got the interview guidance program in that very one subscription only. So remember one thing, guys, the most important thing that we need to mark out. Okay, it will be providing you not just the classes but also the residential program. Apart from that, the test series, the printed books, 18 sets of printed books will be delivered to you at your doorstep. As in, they will be parceled from our side, okay, directly to your home. You need not go anywhere and collect those books, okay, that will be delivered to you directly. Okay, guys, so I hope this is all clear. Please make sure that you enroll yourself today because offer is valid for 23rd of June, that is for today only. And now let's talk about the pricing. Is 25,000 rupees justified? Absolutely justified. So guys, remember, this is the resolution batch, and apart from that, we have also got something very interesting for you. So you might have end number of doubts, right? End number of doubts. How to read, what not to read, what should be my proper time schedule, how do I manage my school, my college with my preparation, my job with my preparation, my household activities with my preparation. You might be having intense doubts, right? Immense doubts, intense doubts as well, right? So let's just eliminate and eradicate those intense doubts and those immense quantity of doubts, right? When? So it will be Wednesday, 25th of June, sharp 3 p.m. Okay, so guys, do not forget to join when Wednesday sharp 3 p.m. okay, on Zoom. So the Zoom link will be available to you in this particular class, the session. Okay, you will be just going through the comment section, and into the comment section you can just watch out for the pinned message, okay, for the pinned comment, and in that pinned comment you will find the Zoom session. Okay, I will be conducting the session when just within next 48 hours, that is on Wednesday 3 p.m. Okay, guys, so remember, for any such updates, okay, that is Zoom link or any class notes, PDF and everything, you can connect with me on my Telegram channel as well. That is a study_with_Praveen. And apart from that, for any such discussion, you want to have any doubts, okay, and you want me to address them, okay, so you can ping me on my Instagram, that is Praveen Mishra _2107. But before that, guys, do not forget to subscribe to our StudyIQ IAS English channel. Okay, so as you know, channel is providing you all the best quantity and quality required, right? So guys, remember, just hit the subscribe button and never miss an update from the channel. And remember, Wednesday 3 p.m. we shall be meeting, okay, for a one-on-one interaction. What? Where? So it will be Zoom, okay. What time? 3 p.m. Wednesday, that is 25th of June. Okay, guys, see you soon. Bye-bye. Take care. Keep studying well. And yes, remember, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.